In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say this and that in Japanese. There are two sets, and knowing the difference will make a big change in your Japanese. In Japanese, this and that depend on distance, who is close to the object. If it's near the speaker, use
これ、
If it's near the listener, use
それ、
If it's far from both of you, use
あれ、
And if you're asking, which one, use
どれ。
The pen is near Mino sensei, the speaker. So we use
これ。これは、美濃先生のペンです。
His is Mino's pen, near the speaker, kore. Now let's look at sore and are. Both mean that, but the distance is different.
それはいくらですか？
How much is that? The one near the listener.
あれはいくらですか？
How much is that? The one over there, far from both of us. Now here's the important part.
これ、それ、あれ、どれ。
These stand alone, but
この、その、あの、どの。
these must always be followed by a noun. You cannot use them alone. Let's compare.
これは、ペンです。
This is a pen. Kore stands alone. Correct.
このは、ペンです。
This is wrong. Kono needs a noun after it.
このペンは、です。
This pen is kono plus noun. Correct. Let's try kono sono ano dono with some examples.
この時計は、いくらですか？
How much is this watch? Kono plus tokei, watch.
そのカバンは、田中さんのです。
That bag near Tanaka-san is Tanaka-san's. Sono plus kaban, bag. Let's try two more.
あの学生は、留学生です。
That student over there is an international student.
どのカバンが、田中さんのですか？
Which bag is Tanaka-san's? Let's look at the summary. The distance rules are exactly the same for both groups. The only difference is, kore sore are dore stand alone, kono sono ano dono always need a noun. Quick quiz. How do you say, this watch? Pause and try.
この時計。
Kono plus tokei, this watch. Great. Now let's practice more. Alright, let's practice. I'll give you a situation, you choose the right word. Ready? How do you say, that bag far from both? Pause and try.
あの、カバン。
Ano plus kaban, that bag far from both. Nice. Next, how do you say, that student near the listener? Pause and try.
その学生。
Sono plus gakusei, that student near the listener. Great. Last one, how do you say, which pen? Pause and try.
どのペン？
Dono plus pen, which pen? You got it. Now let's try a full sentence. How do you say this in Japanese? That cat over there is Momo.
あの猫は、ももです。
Ano plus neko, that cat over there is Momo. Well done. One more full sentence. How do you say this in Japanese? That watch near the listener is Tanaka-san's.
その時計は、田中さんのです。
Sono plus tokei, that watch near the listener is Tanaka-san's. Excellent. Let's review.
これ、それ、あれ、どれ。
These stand alone.
この、その、あの、どの。
These need a noun. Same distance rules for both. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Japanese lessons. I'm also preparing online Japanese lessons. Stay tuned. See you in the next lesson.